Hey guys, it's your girl Niobe with another product review, and today I think you guys will really like this review because we are going to talk about some magnetic lashes. Now, if you're like me, then you don't have the slightest clue on how to apply false lashes. Yes, I struggle with it, even though I can do makeup, like a little bit. I'm not a guru or anything, I'm not an expert, not a makeup artist. But some of my friends know how to put on fake lashes, and I struggle. Now, before you start, I already tried thin, cheap ones. I don't try the expensive ones. I went to Sephora, got some mink ones. I don't try everything, y'all. I don't try different glues, clear glue, white glue, black glue, hair glue, and none of it works. But one day I was minding my business, scrolling on my Instagram, and an ad came up for some magnetic lashes. Now, I did hear about Kiss coming out with some that pinch together on your eyes, but after looking at reviews, I decided not to get those. And a month later, these popped up on my Instagram feed. Now, when I did click that link and I looked at those lashes, they were really nice. But I didn't want to pay $50 or more for those lashes. I already spent so much money on false lashes that I didn't want to waste more. And I will be honest, I personally love individuals, but I just cannot afford that bill right now of keeping up individual lashes, because you know it can get pricey up to like the hundreds sometimes with the individual ones. They're so beautiful, but I just can't afford that. So what I did, because I didn't want to pay for the ones on Instagram, and I didn't want to get individual lashes, and I'm already struggling and wasting money on other lashes, I decided to try a dupe to those magnetic lashes I saw. And I went on Amazon, and you know I got Amazon Prime, so free shipping. So your girl paid $17.99 for these lashes, and it comes as a kit. Now, the kit includes 4 different types of lashes, so you get 4 pairs. They're different, not necessarily length. I would say they're all long, but this one's thicker than these. And I have these pair on right now that you can see. It comes with the eyeliner. This is like liquid eyeliner. If you know how to do liquid eyeliner already, then this should be easy for you to apply. And you can't use just any liner. You have to use this one because this is what allows the magnetic lashes to attract to your eyes. You have to apply this. It also comes in your kit is these tweezers. The only thing special about these tweezers is that it's round. So when you want to grab your lashes, it grabs like that. So that's what's special about these. Now I'm gonna try to show you the back of the lashes on camera. So those little risen up things are the magnets that are going to attract the eyeliner. I know some people have smaller eyes and you're going to want to cut these, but just be mindful you have to cut in between the bars because they are metal and you can't cut them. But you can cut in between them if you want to adjust it to your eye size. I have big eyes, so I don't have to cut them, and I did try cutting one of them, and I will show you what it looks like. So I cut off this end right here, but I had to cut it in between the bars. I cut it because I was experimenting, and I will get into that a little bit later. So we're gonna talk about what I like about these and what I don't like. So the pros and the cons of these lashes. What is a pro? They're affordable. $17.99 for 4 lashes, and you come with everything else, compared to paying $50, $100. Very affordable. They're easy to use. Like I said, I cannot apply false lashes. The glue gets everywhere. They always end up coming off. They always just a mess, right? Just a mess. If I do get lashes it's because my friend applied them for me. Like, I begged like my best friend one time to apply lashes for me because she doesn't like to put it on other people. She can put it on herself, but not on other people. And she did mine, but at the end of the night, they end up coming off, and girl, I was just looking a hot mess. I don't know what it is about me, but I cannot do them things. And then the glue also bothers me with other lashes because hair glue is like, I can smell it and it makes my eyes water up. With this, I don't have that problem. We're gonna talk about applying it. So when I say easy to apply, you literally just put your regular liner. It could be a pencil liner, it could be gel, it could be liquid, whatever you use, you can apply it. Just let you know this is black though. So you can, if you want, it's your business. If you want to put a colored liner on and then put this on top, it might look a hot mess. I'm just saying. But if that's what you want to do and you want to make it work, a little design or something, by all means, you have freedom to do whatever you want. But I'm just letting you know this is black. I'm gonna let you see what it looks like. It's a little brush. So when I apply my regular eyeliner, I do a wing. So I only apply this to my lid. I don't apply this outside of my eye. I only put it on my lid. Now when you do apply it, something that I had to learn and actually pay attention to the instructions, you have to get it tacky. When I say tacky, it's like sticky. Not completely wet, not completely dry. And how do you do that? When you apply it, you start fanning yourself. And I apply it to both eyes at the same time. And I fan it, wait 1 or 2 minutes, and then I apply my lash on top. So, but like I said, it's just this and the lash. You don't need a Q-tip, a hairpin. You don't need to put it up, glue on this and then no. That's it. Cons. I think this is more of a personal con because I just don't like the fact that I have to apply more product to the corner of my eyes. I had this problem with other lashes too, with the glue. I always have to apply a lot in the corner because for some reason, when my big eyes go like this, or like I'm just regularly, blinking, they come up in the corner. And these still do that. So I have to apply more product in the corner of my eyes to make sure it stays down. And I'm not just talking like right now, look at this one. It's trying to come up. I don't like that. So that's my biggest con. My second con about this product is that this is already drying up. Now I will admit I had this since my birthday, but I only used this product like 4 times, if that. And it's already drying up. I don't know if it's because it's not regular liner and it has a shorter expiration on it, but it's already drying up, and I'm gonna have to find someone that sells this by itself. And hopefully it's not too expensive because I just like to be on a budget. So those are my 2 cons when it comes to this product. Now, overall, what do I give this product? What is my overall view of this product? I think for the price, what you get, how much you get, this is very feasible. This is I would give it a 3.5. Not necessarily a 4 or a 5 because I'm still having that issue where I have to apply more product in the corners, and I just don't like that. I like to apply less liner in the corners to give a bigger eye effect, but that's just me personally. If you are a person like me who can't apply lashes, this is a good product for you. And this is a dupe that you can afford, and you don't have to go break your bank if you just want to test it out and see if you actually like it. I would suggest you going on Amazon and getting this product. If you already know how to apply lashes, then this is not for you. This is just something else. But if you don't like the mess that the glue causes, or the glue affecting your eyes like it does me, because I honestly don't think it's safe to use hair glue in your eyes, then this is the product for you. But that's all I have to say about this product. If you like what you see and you want to try it but you have more questions, leave your questions down below and I will try to answer them as best as possible. Also, if you know of the brand that I should try out that you think it's worth it, leave it down below. But I'm telling you right now, if it's over $20, I'm not gonna buy it. I'm just being honest. Also, if you are interested in more product reviews, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I will be posting another product next week Friday, and I think you guys will like it as well. Until next time, please like this video and turn on your alerts, because your girl is not done yet. And I hope you guys have a blessed day. Peace, love, and happiness. Enjoy your Friday. Till next time.